Hi guys, welcome to Filament PHP series, and in this episode we are going to cover how to add form validation in Filament PHP. So let's get started. In our previous video we already created a post module, and when you click on create post we created a beautiful design for it. So in this form we are going to add the validation, and how you can add it I can show you. So let me go back to my VS Code editor, and this is the form we have created with the title, slug, category and all the fields. So if you want to add the validation rules, then you just need to add and apply rule method, and they are adding like a rule method accept one argument as a string, and you just need to pass required. Just save it. Okay, and this is the argument. You can use any validation rules available in Laravel documentation like this. Let me go here. You can see that boolean and enum and in and IP address and all the validation you can just pass over here in rule method. Just save it, and let me go back, hit refresh, click on create. You can see that title field is required over here. So that is working perfectly fine. But what if you want to add multiple validation over here like this way, what we are doing in Laravel, like say, then it's not going to work, because you need to change the method called rules, and this rules method will accept the string argument and array argument. So this is the string argument, and using the pipe sign you can use the multiple validation rules. Just save it. Let me go back over here, refresh, and I'm going to just pass 1 2, click on create. You can see that the title field must be at least 3 characters. So that means that is working. There is another alternative option. You can pass the array argument like this, required, and second you can pass main 3. If you have a third option like max should be 10, something like that, you can pass with the array. Just save it. Let me go back, refresh, and I'm going to just pass 1 2 and click on create. You can see that title field must be at least 3 characters. So this was very simple way you can use rules method, and you can pass all the Laravel validation that available. You can use it. The second way is that you can directly use, for example, I can just say required method, and I can directly use the required method and go here and hit refresh. You can see that it's also coming with the star, and then if you click on create you can see that this field is required, and they have provided input validation over here. And same way we have applied over here the required method, but there is more methods are available. So you can go to the Filament documentation, and you can see over here like active URL after, and after or equal. That's you can just take a look the documentation over here. There is more methods are available for the validation. Especially they provide the input available. For example, required is the input, so that's not going to submit to the server. When you click on it, they're giving you directly input validation error. So this way you can apply the validation rule. I will give you the another method that's called unique. So you can also apply unique validation as well. So for example, if I go here, we already have applied first post. Now let me go and I will just write first post, same slug, and if I click on create, you can see that slug has already been taken. So that means you can also apply the unique validation rules, and that will automatically work for edit. So if I go here and just click on save, it will work for you. But if it's already exist on another post, then it's not going to apply. So let me go back here, and let me go here, click over here, and just I'm going to add, for example, first post. Okay, and if I click on create, you can see that slug has already been taken. But if you want to change this message, then how can you do? So let me go back, and you can use validation messages method, and you can define the unique key, and then you can pass any message like, hey, slug should be unique. I want to just make it very simple, the message over there. Just let me go here and click on create. Let me refresh, and then just first post and click on create. You can see that slug should be unique. So this is the very simple and basic way to change the message as well inside the Filament PHP, and you can use validation messages method. And the same way you can read the documentation, and you can use all the method of the validation. And if you don't understand, you can comment me so I can explain you in the video as well. But this was a very basic and simple video for how to use the form validation with Filament PHP. So if you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more video guys. Thank you so much.